All right. Next question, ma'am, we have is: does gap year is important? Do they ask questions, or what is the value? What is the problems I'll feel if I have a gap year while preparing for my MBA?
So are you talking about gaps coming between to completion of MBA or so?
No, 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 no. Yeah, that is second kind of gap. The first gap is before I joined the college.
Mm-hmm.
Like I've taken 1 year ka drop preparing for MBA and
Mm-hmm.
then coming to the college.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sir, I would not say this will. I'm not saying that this will affect for sure. It is not like it will affect your career wise. Um, but some of the other way, I personally feel is 20%. Some of the other way, people would ask you, what have you done in that 1 year? वो एक साल में आपने कुछ भी फ्रूटफुल किया है क्या? मे बी यू आर वर्किंग समवेयर या फिर आपने कोई और कोर्स किया होगा साइड बाय साइड और जस्ट that way. So of course it does not affect you strongly, but some or the other way 10% का आप सोच सकते हो.
Okay. Okay. Superb. Superb. All right. So, uh, same way, same another question, which is a similar kind of question: is job experience important?
Job experiences. So if I talk about a management B school, um, job experience you can expect to be a add-on cherry on the cake as a benefit for sure, but I would not say, because see, companies come to a B school understanding that there are most of you are freshers. I would like to clear this to all of the students out here. Fresher matlab does not mean only 0 year experience. If you have 1, 2, or 3 years of experience, you are still a fresher. So you have to understand this. So of course, corporates come with a mind that I would get a fresh mind out there who can be easily groomed, sort of. But at the same time, there are many opportunities who are looking out for. So you can expect 10% of benefit for 10% of the companies coming together. Out of the companies coming, 10% you can expect ki, who are really looking out for good experience also. That will give you a benefit for sure.
Superb. Okay, great. Can we negotiate during the placement interview?
Negotiate. So I would tell you one thing is you come in the interview, get selected, and leave it to your placement coordinator or whoever is there in the college who takes care of the placement, is because he or she is of course concerned for the career of your kid for sure. So it's like the complete batch are all our kids, right? So for their career we try our best कि जितना हो सके उतना negotiate करें. But I would personally advise students that you yourself do not negotiate with the companies who are coming on boarded via your colleges for sure. You give your best, perform your best. That means indirectly you're speaking to the company that I want good package. Okay? And then whoever is there as a coordinator in the college can speak on behalf of you for this package or etc.
But can you do that? I don't think that is allowed.
That is actually not allowed,
Not
frankly
allowed. Yes.
speaking. Not allowed, and that's what I'm telling you. You just need to perform in the interview. The rest can be taken care by your coordinator.
See, once I personally believe, once you have a 4 or 5 year experience, then you can demand like this. Okay, so will
Absolutely,
offer me.
absolutely.
Right now, you
I
should be
always
like this. हाथ जोड़ के
I
दे
always
दो.
keep telling this to my students, sir, that you are not the choosers at this stage for sure. After 5 to 10 years of your experience, then you can demand a cabin wala room with good AC and sort of job role or whatsoever you are looking out for. But as a fresher, whatever comes to you, you just have to perform there, whether you talk about interview or the job you're looking out for.
Superb, superb, superb. So, ma'am, in during this COVID time, do you feel that the average salaries will go down? Because if you look at the main IIMs, they are actually posting the salaries which are 5% higher than the last year, which is kind of against what I was thinking. Because मुझे लगा था because of recession, all the average salary will go down. But unfortunately, I'm sorry, fortunately, sorry, it has gone up. So,
Sir Frank,
so
that's
what
what
do you
I'm
think?
telling you. Opportunity has not stopped. It's all about exploring बस जस्ट दैट कि मेहनत थोड़ा डबल हो गया है, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक कि सब कुछ बंद हो गया एंड यू वोंट गेट इट. You just have to find or hunt first. So there were many companies, I would name 2-3 companies जिनके packages due to COVID, उनके packages उन्होंने cut down कर दिया. So as per the rule of the college we cannot as मतलब there's a certain package as a standard package, उसके नीचे we can't we do not allow companies to come. So that's how we could not take those companies, but other companies who are giving good more packages. So it's not like packages getting harmed or so.
Superb, superb, superb. Great. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. All right, ma'am. Next question I have is how to get into the placement committee, because the moment you say placement committee for student is kind of the most wanted thing. So, first question is how to get into the committee. What is the process at your college for students if they want to join?
Sure. So, sir, in terms of criteria in the placement committee, so how we follow is in the first year, we have this I6 committee who comes and look out for corporate speakers. So every weekend or alternate weekend, what we do is we approach various corporate personalities, and that's how students also help us. And at the same time, they help us with networking these corporate speakers. There they get some kind of exposure that how to deal with these corporate people. So these are self voluntary students who come themselves. We evaluate them in their overall participation throughout the year of first year as a junior. How do they perform, and looking at who is willing and who is actually putting their efforts towards this opportunity, they are continued for the placement committee in the next year. So that's how we take it. But at the same time, it is very important that you keep evaluating. So here I do not expect students who are rankers and toppers to come into the placement committee. I only want kids who are really wanting to do good networking, who are really wanting to uh, contribute a bit to the college, and that's how they land up to the committee. That's it.
Great. Okay. If I look at the various colleges now, few of the colleges are taking elections. Purely, you have to stand in front of your batch, and they will elect pure elections. And then
Hmm.
second round of interview. Suppose they will select 20 people, and out of 20, 10 finalists will be taken care by the placement committee. So that
Correct.
is one way to do that. There is another B school which is giving them a task like a Rodis ka show, that you have to contact 20 people and get the numbers of 20 HR,
So
15
you're
HR.
talking of, I understood. I understood.
I can't name the
Something.
college, but yeah.
So I will tell you, sir, here. I am not saying that we do this for the placement committee, but there are many such opportunities like student of the year and etc. Student of the year is one amongst the very popular thing in I feel college. There we do similar sort of things. There are many parameters wherein the students are judged upon and then rewarded for it. So of course, yahan nahi to wahan we still have these practices throughout. But then of course. For placement committee, I personally do not believe in getting kids elect themselves. Of course there might be with other colleges, and due respect to them, for me it's only about students who are really wanting to work hard and not just posting on LinkedIn as a placement committee member.
Exactly. Okay. So, why it is said that if you're in a placement committee, this means you will get the top job? Is it some kind of bias which comes when you are the part of the placement committee? I'm smiling here, by the
No,
way.
no, 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 no. It's not that. It's as I mentioned before as well. It's only about you get an opportunity to give the first impression. So what happens is these placement committee not only get companies or speak to the corporates, but they also do the coordination sort of thing, speaking to the HR, that sort of. So HR knows ki, acha, so Pooja is somebody who is coordinating on behalf of I feel college, and Pooja ने थोड़ा actively participate किया है throughout, and that's how they get the benefit of it. That's what I'm. So that's it. That is one amongst the benefit list of placement committee.
True. Okay. I would like to answer this question another way, that placement committee selection is anyway you are selecting the top students among these 200 or 180 students, right? So these people are anyway the best of the batch. or among the good among the batch. I won't say the best.
Among
But
the
of the good.
active people of the batch.
Yes, active of the batch. So these people getting the placement is not a big deal. Fine, because they're already good. Fine, तो वो that is number one. And number two thing is कि उसको job लग गया, and someone who is थोड़ा weak and could not get a job early on, he will start blaming the committee. नहीं, because of the committee, वो committee में था इसके लिए उसका job लगा. So that
See, cribbing is of course there everywhere, sir. Frankly speaking, cribbing is of course there everywhere. You get or you don't get. You have to deal with both sides.
okay, how one thing which I always have seen in almost every B school, right from IMs to the non-IMs, is that towards the end there will be 4 and 5 people cribbing and standing in front of the placement office and saying that मुझे मेरी choice का job नहीं मिला, या मेरे को ये नहीं मिला, वो नहीं मिला. So it's boss their problem as well. They have not, you people have been given 2 years का time to improve yourself. Fine, if they have not improved, and there are students who are stubborn, नहीं improve करेंगे, आपको जो खाना खा लो, हम improve नहीं करेंगे.
I would tell you, sir, here is I'll give you an example what I talk to my students all the time. You as an individual or as a student, you are bothered for your own placement. Correct? You are worried or bothered for your own placement, or your parents are tensed or stressed only for your placement. But we placement coordinators or placement authorities are all the time bothered and concerned for the complete batch, for the complete career, batch career of the students who are there in the batch. Complete, correct? So it's not like we do not want you to get placed. And frankly speaking, it's been 4.5 years now for me wherein I'm working with iFeel College. Most of we've almost completed 100% for iFeel College every year. But then if still student claims कि मुझे job नहीं मिला, so there you have to first evaluate yourself. Have you given 100% of you? In fact, I would tell you as a fresher, give your 500%. 100% is not a word, not a number for you for sure. Give your 500%. And at the same time, अगर आपके college में 20%, 50%, 80% या 99% भी place होते हैं, are you not self-confident कि मैं वो 20, 50, 80 या 99% में रहूँ, rather than the last 1%? You should be much confident. So coming back to the last question, one question you had asked me कि before coming in an MBA college, what do communicative skill तो चाहिए, but at the same time self confidence भी चाहिए कि मैं ये करके रहूँ. So trust me, in iFeel College I have seen 2-3 students of mine who had really claimed, मैडम आप ये company लाओ, मैं place होके बताऊंगा. Trust me, sir. And they have actually done that, competing to the toppers in the batch.
True.
So yeah.
So end of the day, it's students ka thing as well. See, I normally compare a coaching classes or a B school like a gym. You join Gold's Gym or you join XYZ gym, karna bhai tumko hi hai.
आपको ही है.
End of the day, if you're not going to gym regularly or you're not serious about your fitness and you're not eating properly, then you can blame everybody. But then galti tumhari bhi hai. Right, superb. Thank you.